That's a beautiful day. Let's cue some drone footage.
Guys, it's your boy J-Mac coming back with a video for y'all, man. So check it out, guys. Today I got a few things I want to talk about on the motorcycle, and I have some plans that are coming into effect hopefully today. So we're just gonna talk about that a little tiny bit on the motorcycle and my Twitch channel, man. I don't know if you guys are into video games or into stuff like this. Oh my god, are you serious, bro? Oh shit. Oh, and I still got him, bitch. But man, if you guys are into like watching people play video games and dominate other little bots, let's fucking go, baby. Follow my Twitch at JMax707. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video, people. So yeah, let's do this.
Whoa, what's going on, guys? Yo, we're following this old man right here that's going really slow. I don't know how we just popped into this scenario, but we're here, boys and girls. What's going on, people? Holy shit. Really, bro? Really, bro? Bro. Holy shit. I feel like some people just should stay off the roads, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? So, after we get past this old man, this old freaking whippersnapper right here, old guy, poor old guy, he just doesn't know what to do with his life. You see that? He pulled out in front of a car. That old whippersnapper pulled out in front of another car. What an idiot. Anyways, what is going on, guys? It's your boy J-Mac coming back with a video for y'all, man. So, alright guys, so I got a couple things I want to talk about. I got my little notes right here, so we're going to get off of that. So, bike plans. Let's go with bike plans first, man. It's first on the list, top priority list, I guess. So, bike plans. This bike is not going to be here for very long. Hopefully today it's going to be gone, but we'll see what happens. I got a guy that wants to come and look at it. He wants to check it out, you know, buy it from me or whatever. So, after that's done, I'm going to hop back on the hog, boys. Probably a project bike, because I'm gonna have a little build series possibly, you know, just throwing that out there a little bit. If you're watching this video, I appreciate the hell out you. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button down in the corner. I appreciate your support, people. Thank you guys so much for all the love y'all giving me, baby. So yeah, so build, like I got a whole build thing coming up on a new bike, hopefully, man. We'll see if everything pans out the way I'm really planning for it to pan out, you know what I'm saying? So it all depends on how this deal goes today, I guess. All right, so that's our future plans for the bike situations and stuff and such. What are you doing, bruh? All right, next on the list, Minnesota trip, baby. We're going to Minnesota, boys and girls. We're going to Minnesota. We're going up to Canada. And we're gonna be meeting up with two of the members of the BTC, baby. You know, it's that high energy content that everybody wants, and they're gonna get it, baby. There's gonna be a lot of drinking, a lot of fun shit going on, a lot of shenanigans that people don't want to miss out on. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That is gonna be a trip up in June, and June is actually my birth month. So that's pretty freaking exciting right there in itself. And I might be up in Canada for my birthday. And I was just talking to Mr. Super Duper last night, Mr. Super Juice himself. I was talking about going up there and doing the Edward 40 Hands challenge with him in person, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, when I'm up there in Canada, I might as well, you know, like that saying, like when in Rome, you know what I'm saying? When in Canada, chug a bunch of fucking beer. So let's go, baby. So, alright, so next on the list, we got Twitch. Bruh, I know I kind of talked about Twitch a little bit ago, but man, I've been having a good ass time with Twitch. Basically, if you guys don't know what Twitch is, it's a game streaming platform that you can stream whatever video game you want. It's pretty much like YouTube for regular content, but it's Twitch for gaming content, okay? And it's all live streams. And if you really like somebody's channel, you can go back and watch their past streams. So it's pretty legit, man. I dig the hell out of it. Let's turn right here. Let's get off of this freeway. You're free to be high, bruh. So, what's up, dog? Alright, so yeah, man, the Twitch thing, dude, it's so much fun. We have such a good time. We have such a good time with Twitch, dude. I mean, I do. I know a lot of other people that do too. And bro, I like to play video games. I like to play Call of Duty. I'm a Call of Duty player. And I just like to have a good freaking time talking to people. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love live stream so much. And then Twitch, I'm live streaming. Damn, shit's getting all foggy. Live streaming. Live stream. Get the juices flowing in the morning, baby. Oh, anyways, I want to be doing that. That's legit. I love fishing. And basically what we try to do is oh, that was a freaking cop back there. Fishing game to play games, dog. They're real gangsters, bro. Shit, focus, dog, focus. So if you guys are interested in that, come hang out with me on Twitch. My handle on there is JMax707, just like all my other platforms. And I really just like having a good time, man, talking to you guys and you know, talking shit. I like to talk shit while I'm playing video games. It's fun. It's good times. So yeah, come on through, guys. I'll catch you there, man. I don't know if you guys are like into like this whole, you know, multi fucking vlogging thing, like, you know, start off regular vlogging and then go to moto vlogging, but that's one of the things I really wanted to incorporate on my channel in 2020. So I'm trying it out. It's going a little slow at first, but I mean, we're doing it, you know what I'm saying? We're doing the damn thing, and we're having a good time. Oh, sorry, lady. We're just having fun, man. Just having a good time with life. I mean, you gotta have fun with life, guys. I don't care what you're doing with yourselves, as long as you're having fun. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps support the channel, and it helps me grow, and helps me get my name out there a little bit more. And if you guys enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying, yeah, smash that like button, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Everybody get out there, ride safe, stay on two wheels, and do the damn thing, baby. Enjoy life, baby. All right, y'all, peace.